Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is onion cucumber raita. To make onion cucumber raita, we'll be needing the following things. I have taken here one onion which I have chopped finely, one cucumber, again I have chopped it finely, some coriander leaves chopped finely, salt to your taste, about half a teaspoon of jeera powder and curd. Curd here you can take how much ever you wish to. If you like less curd, you can take less curd. If you like more curd in your raita, you can add more curd. So let's get into the process of making the raita. So first in a bowl, we'll add in this curd. Take a fork and we'll nicely beat this till it becomes nice and smooth. Yeah, now our curd has become nice and smooth. So now we'll add in our onions. Add in the cucumber. We'll add in the coriander leaves, salt to your taste, and then the jeera powder, and then again just mix this. Yeah, so there you go. Our cucumber and onion raita is ready. Throw this into our serving bowl. Just sprinkle some red chili powder on this. So there you go, our onion cucumber raita is ready. If you guys really enjoyed the video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.